Okay, so let's continue the lecture series, and as we are enjoying this, now it's almost towards the end of this real analysis and calculus lecture series. After today's lecture, we'll be going on the other aspects of calculus, which are integral and vector. Okay, so before that, today's lecture we have to discuss. For today's lecture, we have to discuss three themes on an average. The theme one is improper integrals. Okay, dear? Improper integral. Theme 2 is Leibniz rule of differentiation under the sign of integration, and number third is change of independent variable. Fine. So let's start from the improper integral part. This is important for you guys cause, and in the lecture plan, this is basically part of advanced calculus. I have mentioned what lecture plan I have given to you guys. Yeah, you are suggested to have the hard copy of that lecture plan, because that will help you to maintain the records. Okay. So when I talk about improper integrals, let's understand this part here. Suppose that I have an integration type integration a to b f of x dx. So what is the possibility we may have, bacha? Maybe either a or b is or are infinite, means limits can be infinite. The first possibility. Other possibility is a, b are finite numbers, means limits are definite, but f of x is undefined at some point of integration. Since your limit is a to b, so suppose that there is some point c in between, there may be more than one point also, at which function of this f of x is undefined. So here, for example, is, let's say we are discussing 1 to infinity e raised to the power minus x square. So what it is showing, the integrand f of x, e raised to power 1 by finite, e raised to power minus infinity will tend to 0. So I'm sorry. Integrand is well defined for the limits of integration, but at least one of the limit of integration is infinite. So this comes under the category of improper integral of first kind. Suppose that we have an integration like 2 to 4 1 upon x minus 3 sorry, actually continuously I am taking lecture from last 5 to 6 hours. So in this category, what we have is the function f of x is undefined at x equals to 3. Check it out, 1 upon 0 tends to infinity. So what we say is, you can say f of 3 tends to infinity. So this category called improper integral of second kind. Okay, dear? This topic itself, they have questions from this. अभी आप देखेंगे CSE 2022 के अंदर भी they have one question from here. So don't take it lightly, dear. Okay? So when I talk about improper integral of second kind, when I talk about improper integral of first kind, is that clear to you all? Now, second point is कि a to b f of x dx क्या हो सकता है बच्चे? This comes out as means the value on calculating this integral comes out as some finite value, let's say capital I, or maybe infinite value means tending to infinity or minus infinity. In that case, here we say कि this integral a to b f of x dx is convergent. What here is convergent? And in this case, we say कि a to b f of x dx is not convergent, or you say diverging to either plus infinity or minus infinity. Clear है? So the thing is improper improper integral of first kind, improper integral of second kind, any of the kind may be convergent or divergent. So this chapter talks about convergence of what here? Convergence of improper integrals. Is that clear or not? So that is our third point कि if I want to check the convergence and if I am able to find such I, what बच्चे? If I am able to calculate the integral and value comes out as finite, we will say कि given integral is convergent. But in many of the cases we are not able to calculate that integral. Okay, in that case we need tests. What we need? Tests for convergence of an improper integral. Okay dear, convergence for an improper integral tests. Here the mentor is needed for you, because if you are reading the book, probably you will invest 10-12 hours and still you will not be able to what to fetch from the chapter, and for that Mr. Teacher is here. Okay, so बच्चे, here I will have some particular category of test, be it the improper integral of first kind, be it the improper integral of second kind. Number first test comes as a comparison test. What बच्चे? Comparison test. यहाँ पर एक और word we will be using, comparison integral. What बच्चे? Comparison integral. The second test we will have the mu test. What बच्चे? Mu test. In this test we will be calculating something like x raised to the power mu into integrand. Actually here the target will be there exists such mu which is greater than 1 or less or equal to 1. Based on this category we can say the integration a to b f of x convergent or divergent. Is that clear or not? Comparison test में actually here we will please be on the board, because if these things are clear then your chapter will be finished in 10 minutes only. Okay, in the comparison test we compare the integrand with some other function. Please notice here we compare, actually comparison test has two forms, either this form or we calculate limit fx upon zx depending on the given integrand. So अच्छा बच्चे एक चीज बताना, if this gx to be कन्वर्ज, अगर dx इज कन्वर्जेंट तो ऑब्वियसली उसका जो लेस और इक्वल टू f of x है तो f of x विल बी कन्वर्ज करेगा. सो हियर वी नीड टू हैव टू केसेस. नंबर फर्स्ट, gx का कन्वर्जेंट इंप्लाइज f of x का, like integration a to b f of x dx का कन्वर्जेंट. Case 2, if छोटा वाला, the smaller one is divergent, so this will be obviously divergent. So case 2 will be कि अगर a to b f of x dx diverge कर जाए तो a to b gx dx भी diverge करेगा. Clear? Noticed or not? So comparison test will be like this. In case of comparison test, we will have a comparison integral, and that will be a to b dx upon x raised to the power n or x minus a raised to the power n kind of stuff. So provided that n greater than 1 or less or equal to 1, depending on this we categorize like this. Is that clear? So that is the mentoring part for you guys. As you know कि मतलब I'm struggling bit क्योंकि lectures are continued from the morning itself. So what I am doing here is just trying to show you a path how you have to deal this topic. So number first is comparison test, comparison integral. Comparison integral का cases you have to remember. With the help of comparison integral, you can talk about f of x का convergence or divergence. So how to, another point बच्चे, how to choose this gx, how to choose this gx, that is the crucial part. Choosing gx so that this gx का convergence or divergence will be determined by the comparison integral. Getting? अच्छा, some people may think कि सर मैं तो कैलकुलेट कर लूंगा इतना अगर करना है तो कैलकुलेशन अगर पॉसिबल होता तो ऑलरेडी डन. So we are doing such test in case of where calculations are not possible. Clear है अभी? Any doubt किसी को भी? So how you will choose gx? Please note down. How you will choose gx? Depending on this, मतलब इस टाइप का फंक्शन जो दिखेगा 1 upon x raised to the power n और 1 upon x minus a raised to the power n kind of stuff, उसको you will choose gx, provided that you have to maintain this inequality. Is that clear? So by just comparison कि अगर यहाँ पर n is greater than 1, it becomes convergent, तो gx का convergent will assure a to b f of x dx का convergence. Is that clear? The same funda applies here also. Mu test. In case of mu test, what they said is कि you have been given, suppose that you have been given this integral. Okay बच्चे, please be on the board. You just write x raised to the power mu into f of x. Then go and find this limit. Suppose that this comes out to be finite number. Please focus here and mark star here कि whether it is finite non-zero number or finite number only. Clear I am? So if comes out to be finite non-zero number means this limit itself. Now if mu greater than 1, so this integral is convergent. If mu less or equal to 1, this integral is not convergent, or you can say divergent. Clear? Now अभी rest of the things, actually what I am trying to convey is कि ये चैप्टर इतना बड़ा आपको नहीं लगना चाहिए कि like this itself is a theme, not at all. Actually I am trying to convey कि this chapter can be compiled within 5 minutes if you are able to catch the theme. Later on I will be doing some examples also to show you guys, but before that what I understood during my preparation कि there should be someone who can summarize the things, क्योंकि इस चैप्टर में इतना लगता है कि यार ये भी पढ़ना है करके. So mu test. अब now ये कैसे करना होता है? द थिंग इज, जो डिनोमिनेटर है, प्लीज नोट इट पॉइंट, डिनोमिनेटर. So while watching the denominator, we try to comprehend this part. So that is your exam point. What बच्चे? अभी I'll be taking an example. So this is mu test. Another category is Abel's test. What बच्चे? Abel's test and Dirichlet's test. What बच्चे? This is Abel's test and Dirichlet's test. In case of Abel's and Dirichlet, on an average we are talking about product of functions. What बच्चे? Product of functions. Whenever you have to get the theme of some integral which is improper and functions, the integrand part is in the product form. So as a mentor, what I will suggest is your keyword is product of two functions. Okay बच्चे? For these two tests, very important for you, I am saying very important for you guys, कि प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फंक्शंस के फॉर्म में जब इंटीग्रल दिखेगा आपका एंड यू वांट टू चेक द कन्वर्जेंस ऑफ दैट इंटीग्रल, in that case you will apply either the Abel's test or the Dirichlet's test. Is that clear? Now what is Abel's test? उसका statement is given in any of the book, in the PDF itself. I will also state that. बस a to b f of x अगर आपका convergent हो जाए, phi of x monotonic and bounded हो, then this whole integral will become convergent. So two keywords for this: a to b fx dx convergence, phi x का monotonic and bounded. I will stop myself here because not stopping the lecture because once you able to recall Abel's test, then it is easy to recall Dirichlet's. So I will suggest in the first round you just remember Abel's test वाला. Abel's में क्या चाहिए? दोहराइए. Try to recall a to b f of x dx का convergence. Phi of x should be monotonic and bounded. So monotonic and bounded already I taught in the lectures for single variable monotonic mean value theorem जब Lagrange पढ़ा रहा था. Okay, so you can go through that RCL 05, RCL 06 lectures. You will have monotonic वाला part. Is that clear or not? So this will be just another form of this Abel's test. Is that clear or not? So I will take one example to comprehend these things. Another important concept we will have here, absolute convergence. What dear? Absolute convergence. So the thing I have already discussed in the infinite series wala part, when you talk about convergence of this integral means this, when you talk about a to b modulus of f of x dx का convergent. If this happens to be convergent, then this is bounded, like this is bound to be convergent. If this fails to be convergent, then this may be convergent or. So this is the overall picture. Nowhere I have mentioned ki either that is of first kind or the second kind. Because here you may be specific. क्योंकि improper integrals of first kind के लिए mu के ऊपर conditions will be different, improper integrals of second kind के लिए mu का conditions will be different. Please note it down. Comparison integral will be different for first kind, for second kind. Abel's and Dirichlet का conditions will be different for first kind and for second kind. What I have dictated here is the general perception required or general understanding required for this particular chapter itself. Is that clear or not? सबको absolute convergence भी बोल दिया. So what you guys are suggested now, इस theme को एक बार और देखिए आप. और इसको अपने दिमाग पर बी सेटल्ड विथ योर माइंड. नाउ गो एंड सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस. व्हाट? सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस. कि हाउ टू दैट, and that is again an exam point for you. Practice, practice, practice. If you are just thinking कि सर ने इतना अच्छा ब्यूटीफुली बता दिया मुझे and I will be able to solve questions, not at all. So what the PDF is being provided to you, there are examples. What you are suggested to do is go and solve the example 1 to last 2 times. And please, वैसे तो the PDF itself I have marked कि what points you need to remember in particular integral का question. देखिए everything is mentioned there कि where you have to focus, where see beautifully I have explained everything. Underline कि positive g of x comparison वाला function positive होना चाहिए. Non-zero limit x tending to a f of x upon g of x non-zero. ठीक है. कन्वर्जेंस के लिए कंपैरिजन इंटीग्रल. in any particular question what you can have the problem in between of the steps I have specifically mentioned. What is the important part to notice here? So what I expect from you guys is like to solve these examples before the exam itself. And if you want the tutorial you needed for this lecture, I'm ready to give that tutorial. What I wish to have to finish this section, at least to have that. अच्छा यहाँ पर बीटा गामा फंक्शंस का, बीटा फंक्शन और गामा फंक्शन के भी दो एग्जांपल्स हैं. You can leave this बीटा गामा or you can attempt actually. यहाँ से आपको definitions you will be able to recall in the integral calculus. Okay dear? So please solve these examples step by step. Move. See where mu is greater than 1, less or equal to 1. Product में कैसे, how you have to choose phi. So see, as a mentor, as a teacher, I found कि I should tell you these kind of stuff only. अगर मैं क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने पर लग जाऊंगा, so who will tell these things to notice? So everything is there. Go through this PDF, and if you are following this lecture series, you are supposed to follow this. Okay, बच्चे. So in the tutorial part, I will do that. Questions, if you wish, do let me know in the comment box. There are very good questions. Now I am moving on the second theme of the lecture. See, what as a student I understood is whenever because there are very newcomers on this also, BSc students, they may think कि सर पूरा सवाल लिख दीजिए. So okay, if you are in the offline lecture, obviously I will be doing that. But what I found, जब भी हम पढ़ाता है ना टीचर, तो वो जो numerical value है उसको क्या आप याद करते हैं? You just follow, you just try to remember कि teachers किन points पर like pinpoint कर रहा है. So this lecture series is like this only. The next theme of the day is Leibniz rule of differentiation under the sign of integration. In the respective PDF of advanced calculus वाला part, this is again given beautifully. So मैं यहाँ पर जल्दी से आपको brief करना चाहूँगा इस चीज़ को कि suppose that you have a function I of t as limits phi of t into psi of t, say f of x comma t into dx. Okay, please notice on the board the theoretical part is written on that PDF. Proof is also given. Also I have done in that class lecture also. So what happens if limits are, please focus, limits are function of some variable. what बच्चे? Limits are function of some variable. In that case, and you want to differentiate. What बच्चे? Differentiating I. I किसका फंक्शन है? Please notice, I is the function of t. So I will be differentiating with respect to t. So by Leibniz rule क्या कहता है? Under the sign of integration कि okay, this integration will be coming out as di upon dt. Please notice, limits differentiation with respect to t. So here I will be differentiating partially. Please remember, partially with respect to t of the function f of x comma t into dt plus, now please remember this function, क्योंकि I is the function of t, so ultimately इंटीग्रल के बाहर जो होगा वो t का फंक्शन मिलना चाहिए. तो अभी जो f of function आपको मिलेगा, प्लीज रिप्लेस x by upper limit, I am saying upper limit, okay, into partial differentiation with respect to t of the upper limit minus f of phi of t, that is lower limit, into dever over dever t of phi of t. Please do remember कि if I is like this, then Leibniz rule of differentiation under the sign of integration will give like this. Is that clear? So where in the UPSC exam, where it is important, number first, limits में L'Hopital rule, because in that case, suppose that you are applying limit x tending to a, please be on the board. Suppose that phi of x to psi of x, इसको t का ही रखते हैं because we have already taken f of x comma t into dt divided by x square. Please notice that is the mentoring part. What? In case of limit, you may have to calculate limits like this. Please, this is exam point for you. Mark a star here. So when in that case you need to differentiate the numerator, and numerator itself is an integral. So what you will be needing is the Leibniz rule of differentiation under the sign of integration. So whenever you have to differentiate the integral, please remember, please fall in love with the Leibniz rule. So that is CAC exam के लिए PYQs you can have from the limits वाला chapter. Other part, second probable questions, okay. Other type of questions, calculating some particular integrals. What? Calculating some particular integrals. Somewhere there are very standard kind of integration. Suppose that someone says 0 to infinity sin mx upon x dx क्या होता है? It is either pi by 2 for m positive, 0 for m 0, it is minus pi by 2 for m less than 0. Suppose that this is question with you. So in such integrations, these are very standard integrations, you know. So for that, अभी मैं क्या करता हूँ? I will just take it as I. So treating m, जैसे यहाँ पर t था, so m is 0, मान लो यहाँ पर मैं देख लूँ, तो मैं इसको Leibniz rule से with respect to m differentiate कर दूँ, तो क्या मिल जाएगा? 0 to infinity sin mx का differentiation cos mx, mx का with respect to m, what? mx का with respect to m, so that will be x. अब इस x से ये x cancel हो जाएगा. Getting? So और plus upper limit is constant, so differentiation 0, minus lower limit is constant, so differentiation is 0. Ultimately I have di upon dm as 0 to infinity cos mx dx. Is that clear or not? So इनके अभी इसको I will be taking an example for such कि how to prove that. Ultimately in the starting only I want to tell you, you may have this type of standard integrals which are not easy to solve by usual or traditional methods. In that case your Leibniz, please remember this keyword. Here you will have two ways. Number एक तो calculus of रेजिड्यूज. व्हाट बच्चे? कैलकुलस ऑफ रेजिड्यूज से हम सॉल्व करते हैं. और दूसरा है लेबनीज रूल ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन यूजिंग द अंडर द साइन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. सो फ्रॉम हियर वी सॉल्व सच इंटीग्रल्स. ओके, so Leibniz rule of differentiation is the most beautiful concept for you. What I have done, functions of one variable. What बच्चे? Functions of one variable वाला जो PDF है, in that there are two separate pages जहाँ पर इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस मैंने सॉल्व किए हैं. So you are suggested to solve those examples. Okay. For this category of questions in this book only, this PDF is being provided to you. You are suggested to solve these. इसके बाद इसमें कुछ बचता नहीं है. Simple the calculation part is there. So for today's lecture you are suggested to solve these examples. Okay, what examples are provided in that PDF. In the same manner I have pointed out कहाँ पर tan x को आपको क्या लिखना है, कहाँ पर cos x का tan वाला cos 2x 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x, where to use that kind of integral. And final suggestion for you, starting के जो ये 4 to 5 examples हैं दोस्त, please do practice at least 2-3 times and do remember those some bit steps जहां मैंने स्टार मार्क भी किए हैं उस PDF में. So you have to remember those. Okay, so this is the Leibniz rule of differentiation under the sign of integration. I will take one tutorial for this for the separate questions. Okay. The third part of the lecture is changing the independent variable. Changing the independent variable. Okay. So although no direct question. What? No direct question. But will be using in fluid dynamics, pressure dynamics, that is change of coordinate system. जहां भी बात होगी वहां पर आपको इस टाइप के चीजें जरूरत पड़ेगी. जैसे मान लो आप डेल स्क्वायर एफ लिख रहे हैं. प्लीज डू नोटिस माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस फॉर यू गाइस कि प्लीज डू नोटिस दिस हाउ वी चेंज वंस फ्रॉम एक्स वाई जेड टू आर थीटा फाई, एक्स वाई जेड टू आर थीटा जेड. So this chapter is basically indirect help for you. What बच्चे? Indirect help for you. अब हो क्या सकता है? Either you do this in pockets कि जब जरूरत पड़ेगी उतना कर लेंगे. My suggestion is कि इस टाइप की चीजें if your teacher is telling you with more than decade of experience कि कहाँ से चीजें हो सकती हैं, so you are suggested. What बच्चे? You are suggested to have a separate page or note for such topics. Okay, क्योंकि ये मल्टीपल टाइम्स आपको यूज करने पड़ेंगे. चेंज इन सिस्टम. सो हाउ यू राइट कि इफ एक और चीज है पीडी जब आप करते हैं, जब आप कैनोनिकल फॉर्म में जाते हैं, ठीक है, कैनोनिकल फॉर्म रिडक्शन, वहां पर भी दिस विल बी यूज्ड. ओके, so that is just 10+2 BSc फर्स्ट ईयर वाला पार्ट. what I am suggesting, ये जो चेंज ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल दे रखा है, चैप्टर दिख रहा है आपको, इसके अंदर हाउ टू राइट दोज जो रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ती है उसके सामने मैंने लिख भी दिया है आपको कि रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर में कहां पर आपको जरूरत पड़ेगी, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम पोलर. थिंग इज सी इस वाले को अगर आप देखेंगे तो मैंने इसमें बॉक्स में लिखा है लेट्स से डेवर x ओवर डेवर r लिखना है तो हाउ टू राइट दैट, डेवर r ओवर डेवर x लिखना है तो हाउ टू राइट दैट, यू आर गेटिंग? So you are suggested when you are reading this particular chapter, please have this PDF का copy with you. Otherwise this lecture series is nothing for you. फिर तो you are just wasting your time. Okay? Because this is a grand lecture series, comprehensive very. तो अगर ये PDF होगा आपको तुरंत दिख जाएगा अच्छा टीचर क्या बोल रहा था मुझसे. Getting? Is that clear or not? So please मैंने यहाँ पर लिख भी दिया है कि used in fluid dynamics. Used in fluid dynamics. तो जितना चीज रिक्वायर्ड है इससे वो मैंने आपको यहाँ पर बता दिया है. सो फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर लेक्चर आई वॉज मोर लाइक अ मेंटर नॉट अ टीचर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चंस बिकॉज दिस लॉन्ग आवर्स ऑफ टीचिंग फ्रॉम द मॉर्निंग इटसेल्फ आई एम फीलिंग वेरी लाइक कुछ नॉट फीलिंग वेल हियर. तो ऑल्दो आई वॉज डिटरमिन्ड कि आज ये वाला सेक्शन समराइज कर देना है. So please go through that PDF, solve questions, do let me know in the comment section or the Telegram group कि what questions कहाँ पर problem आपको आ रही है. Okay बच्चे, so this is from my side. In the next part we will be starting integral calculus and vector calculus simultaneously because integral में भी vector में भी the same thing, line integral, surface integral, volume integral. So the thing is that is a like small topic for us but very important for your 15 marker questions. So we will be doing that in the next lecture. Okay बच्चे, so keep following, keep learning. Till then, bye bye.